Welcome to my YouTube channel today, and we're talking about activities that you can do to occupy this Christmas holiday, alright, with your family and friends.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
If this is what interested you, or if this is what you've been waiting for, or this is what you've been thinking about, I bring you some tips that can help you fuel this Christmas vacation. Yeah, you heard me right. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. The first activity that I have with me is to get creative with our homemade decorations and ornaments. So our Christmas tree, let's add 1 or 2 ornaments to it. Stars, balls, or the rest with your friends and family, and you take the pictures, or you can even make videos while doing it, because when you look back it will bring a smile on your face. So secondly, you can plan a holiday movie marathon with family and friends. Yeah, there's nothing bad, it's create wonderful memories. And ask beforehand what kind of movie you like to watch. Then the 3 year is to bake and decorate Christmas cookies together. Alright, we have some easy cookies out there, delicious ones that we can do together during the holidays. You know, all these things is about creating memories.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
You can also volunteer at a local charity or organization. Yeah, giving back to the community. And as well, we can create homemade, budget-friendly, heartfelt gift like bags, slippers, earrings. We can do that for our loved ones.
Serious?
For the new year, yeah. All this is just to enjoy each other's company and enjoy the holiday. Yeah, the goodies, making delicious goodies. And so we always cherish the memories we share together with our loved ones. So it's everything we can do to bring a special memories with our loved ones. That's the main idea. Yeah, it's not about perfect, it's not about you being rich. These activities that I listed help you to create a special memory with your loved ones this Christmas season. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.